Welcome to our YouTube channel Banknifty Magic Call. So as you guys see, the Banknifty is moving in a range. Do analysis in an easy way. Open the 15-minute time frame chart. As you can see, the market is not able to break its high. Draw chart top to bottom. Draw a line from bottom to top. As you can see, the market is following its downtrend. If you want to trade then this important level after the break, then enter buy or sell side. Important levels for sell side: sell below 34,500, break and sustain, then enter. Important levels for buying side: 34,750, break and sustain, then enter buying side. If you trade on Banknifty or trade on options, so join our Telegram channel Banknifty Magic Call. We are provided daily 1 to 2 calls Banknifty Nifty stock options, and we recommend stocks for long-term and also for swing trading. Link is in the description. Tell us in the comments which stock analysis you want. Thank you. Bye bye.